In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Teams to Monday.com. Before we start, make sure you're signed into a Monday.com account that has permission to install apps and that your organization allows integrations with Microsoft Teams. Having the right access will save you time and prevent permission-related roadblocks. Begin by opening Monday.com in your browser and signing in. If you use multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one where you plan to use the integration so the app is installed in the right place. Taking a moment to verify this helps avoid confusion later when you're setting up automations or notifications. Next, look at the top right of the Monday.com interface for the puzzle-shaped icon. This icon opens the apps marketplace. It can be easy to miss, but it's the small jigsaw piece near your profile area and notifications. Click it to open the marketplace where you can browse and manage available apps. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. Keep your typing simple, just the product name is enough. This narrows the results so you can quickly find the official Microsoft Teams app rather than scrolling through categories. When you see Microsoft Teams in the results, click it to open the app page. Here you'll find details about what the integration can do, such as sending updates from Monday.com into a Teams channel or receiving notifications from boards. You can review screenshots, feature descriptions, and the permissions the app requires. If your company has specific security guidelines, this is a good moment to quickly confirm that the listed permissions align with those policies. Once you're ready, click Install App. Depending on your organization's settings, you may be asked to confirm the workspace, grant permissions, or sign in with your Microsoft account to authorize the connection. The prompts you see can vary. If you're missing the ability to proceed, your admin may need to approve the app. That's normal in more controlled environments. After installation, the Microsoft Teams integration becomes available within your Monday.com account. From here, you'll be able to configure how updates flow between Monday.com and Teams, such as posting item changes to a channel or keeping teammates informed when statuses move. A helpful tip is to start with a single test board and a dedicated Teams channel so you can fine-tune notifications without overwhelming your colleagues. Keep an eye on the permissions and choose only what you need to keep things tidy and secure. That's it. You've connected Microsoft Teams to Monday.com by signing in, opening the apps marketplace with the puzzle icon, searching for Microsoft Teams, opening the app page, and installing the app. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.